Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the mini album that I made recently for Halloween. I did promise you guys that I would come back on and just show you the end product, and so it's not super interactive. I didn't put a whole lot of embellishing in this book because I constructed this book from really thin chipboard, and so it's really lightweight chipboard. So I was afraid because it was getting a little heavy. This book has four signatures in it, and I did realize a mistake when I was going through adding the papers and everything to this book, and I'll talk to you guys about that in a minute. So I use this paper collection right here. This is the Carta Halloween Market collection, a really cute traditionally colored Halloween collection. And I got this one from Snap Click Supply. This was a digital collection, but you can also find this in stores. You might be able to find it at Tuesday Morning. I know sometimes they carry some of the Carta collections at Tuesday Morning. I haven't been to Tuesday Morning in a long time, so I'm definitely not sure. But you could probably also find this collection on scrapbook.com and just Google Carta Halloween Market, and I'm sure you'll be able to find this collection if you like, if you're not into printing digital collections. But I like it because I will always have this collection saved on my computer, and I can print it and also all the little ephemera pieces just whenever I want to. Okay, so that was Snap Click Supply. I will leave that in the description box below in case you guys want to go check them out. I also used a couple of sheets from the My Mind's Eye Haunted collection, which is a pretty old collection, but it's a really nice collection that I really like, and I had a few sheets of 12 by 12 left of that collection in my stash, and so I did use that to decorate the front cover. So for the front cover, I did matte this with the gold cardstock, and then I layered that with black, and then I cut a piece of the My Mind's Eye Haunted paper. It has this it's like a black flocked chandelier. I know you can't hardly see, but it feels velvet. It has the image of the spider on the spider web in the back, and then I popped up a piece of the ephemera that I cut out from the Carta collection, and I used just a piece of foam tape to give it some dimension. Pretty plain, pretty simple, but I really like this cover. Plus, I needed this to be as flat as possible, and I'll tell y'all why. So the spine is plain, and then the back looks like this. I just put another piece of the ephemera on the back, which is also layered on some cardstock, gold and black. It says Spooky Halloween. So when you open it up, I left the inside cover pretty plain. I did pop up a piece of the ephemera from the collection right here, and the first page is a pocket page. I did use one of the cut aparts on this page, and I just added a few little items in the pocket just to show you. So I did do a little 4x4 booklet, and I used one of the cut aparts from the collection. This is plain on the inside. You could layer it with white cardstock if you like and do some journaling on the inside, but I just plan to crop down a photo and put a photo in here. The back is plain. I also did this Halloween checklist card to slide in that pocket, and it has date, it has what we did, trip to pumpkin patch, trick-or-treating, Halloween parties. And so I know I'm probably not going to a pumpkin patch, but I could definitely just journal whatever it is we do in here and put the date. So that was cute. I thought about adding that on the inside cover, but I thought it'd be cute in the pocket. This could also double as a photo mat. And then just a plain photo mat, and this is that orange polka dot paper from the collection, and this will fit a 4x6 photo. Let's see if got a photo to the side here. Don't mind me in this photo. It was just a random selfie. So anyways, it fits a 4x4, I'm sorry, 4x6 photo perfectly. So that is what I have in this pocket. Okay. So this pocket opens up to a little trifold page. So you have 3 more spots for 3 more 4x6 photos. In the middle, I did pop up this little pumpkin, and this is one of the ephemera pieces from the collection as well. And I left it open at the top so that you could just stick your picture right in there. So again, 4x6 photos there. Here also 4x6 photo. Also the pull-out mats fit 4x6 with no problem. And you can do front and back on those pull-outs. Okay, and this is where I was going to show you guys where I made my mistake. So the book does not lay flat because of how I made my hinge system. So I should have allowed a little bit more space in between on the gussets, and I could have spaced these 4 signatures out a little further apart, because if you see, I still have all this space on the spine, which I actually thought about adding another signature. However, it would have been better just to make my gussets a little bit larger and spread my signatures a little bit farther apart so that my book will open. So I made that mistake, but when I come back with the tutorial, I will definitely correct that mistake, and we'll still have 4 signatures. The gussets are just going to be a little bit wider apart and spaced a little wider apart because it should be able to open a little bit flatter. Okay, so this is also 2 more spaces here on both sides for 4x6 photos. This opens up and this gives you more space. So here, this is a pocket there. You can even put a photo here, here, and also there. Another pull out. I'm not going to pull that one out. Another photo spot here. This opens up to 2 more photo spots. I added the little skull, which is another ephemera piece from the collection, but I didn't close that off. I left it open to where a photo can be placed in there. And so here's another photo spot. And this is a pocket page with a another little area for photos. Now for these photos in here, you could put 4x6, but you won't have the border to show the pretty paper underneath. So I would crop this photo down a little bit and then put my photo. So there's 2 more photo spaces there. I probably wouldn't cover this with the photos because I love this cut apart right here, but definitely 2 more spaces here. And then in this pocket, there is another photo card, which you can add one here and also one on the back if you wanted to. And more in this pocket. Okay. Another pull out for 2 more 4x6 photos. And this right here is a twin page. So 2 photos can go here and then 4 photos inside here. So all 4x6, and I made them to where you can see a little border, a nice size border of the pretty paper underneath. So you use your 4x6 photo, you can still see the pretty paper. And then on the back, also another pull out, and then on the back is a belly band. I added another one of the ephemera pieces just to jazz it up a little bit. And this comes out, and this is a photo card / journaling card. It's another one of those decorated our house, chose our costumes, and I added 2 stickers from a previous collection that I used that I had in my stash, just to add that element with the orange on there. So the little kid with the ghost costume, I thought that was cute. And also more photos could be tucked behind here. So just like that. or if you want to put more photo mats under there, you could. But so that goes there, and of course the back inside cover, I left that plain, and there's the back. So just a cute little mini album, like brag book. So that is that one, guys, and I will come back with a tutorial in another video so that we can make another one of these together. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Also, feel free to comment and check out one of my previous videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.